Active Skin Repair, the molecule really started in the hospitals, right? But Active Skin Repair as a company started in the outdoors.
I was using it on surf trips to the Maldives, on reef cuts and sunburns. When I learned about the science behind the molecule, when I learned that you could replicate this molecule that our white blood cells produce by using natural ingredients, I knew this was a product that needed to be in everybody's house. The technology behind Active is the hypochlorous acid molecule. So if you get cut, scraped, any type of skin damage, your body's natural response is to send white blood cells to that injury. Inside the white blood cells is a molecule called hypochlorous acid. And that's what's inside Active Skin Repair. We joke, we call it the WD-40 of skin repair because of how many different skin issues that it works on. One of the really cool things about Active Skin Repair as a company is we're not a big corporation. We have the sophistication of a medical device company, and that allows us to really focus on clean, natural ingredients and how we formulate our products to be safe and effective while being non-toxic.
You know, my personal use of Active Skin Repair has evolved over time because when we first started this business, I didn't have children, and now I have 2 little kids.
Now that I have a daughter and she's 2 years old, she's running around, I get to use it on a daily basis. All the cuts and scrapes that she gets from learning how to walk, from playing on a playground.
Every day it seems like there's a new opportunity to spray it on an owie or to help with a sunburn.
Also, all the bacterial and inflammation issues that a 2-year-old is dealing with, I use it on her diaper rash.
You know, things that I never even imagined we'd be using it for. From the beginning, we knew that we wanted to create a company that was a little different, a company that gave back and a company that we could be proud of.
Active Skin Repair is a 1% for the planet company, meaning that we give back 1% of all of our revenue to environmental nonprofits.
It's a really big commitment, and it's something that if you're going to make that commitment, you're basically making a pledge for your company's future to be directly connected with the environmental future. As the company grows and has more influence, we have an opportunity to tell another story.
The vision for Active Skin Repair is to become the world-leading skin health company. We want to do that by producing products that are clinically proven, natural and non-toxic, and multifunctional. We want to do this also in a way that's affordable for everyday consumers.